And some more breaking news just coming in. Social activist Teesta Setalvad and her husband Javed Anand are facing an imminent arrest. This comes after the Gujarat High Court rejected their anticipatory bail in the case related to the alleged embezzlement of funds. They are accused, remember, of misusing funds to the tune of rupees 1.51 crores. The Gujarat police is at Teesta Setalvad's house in Mumbai. Teesta Setalvad is an accused in the case of misusing funds meant for families of the Gulbarg Society riot victims. Setalvad, who's been espousing the cause of the victims of the 2002 Gujarat riots and others, have contended that the case was filed against them with political motives and they had not misused funds. Sahil Joshi now joins me on the phone line for more. Sahil, Teesta Setalvad and her husband Javed Anand could be arrested at any given point in time, given the fact that the Gujarat High Court has in fact dismissed their anticipatory bail plea. Take us through the latest.
See, that's for sure that Teesta Setalvad and Javed Anand are facing arrest now because Gujarat High Court today have rejected the anticipatory bail application filed by Teesta and her husband and some other accused in alleged embezzlement of funds case. Their anticipatory bail was earlier rejected in Sessions Court also last year on 25th March 2014. And in fact, the prosecution lawyer Mahesh Jetpalani had also put before the court the statements of Setalvad's former accountant who also accused her and others of misusing the funds meant for families of Gulbarg Society riot victims. Now, because today the prosecution was expecting that the court might not give anticipatory bail to Teesta Setalvad. So Gujarat police has already reached Teesta's house and her cell phone is switched off. Right. It's likely that they might be waiting for the court order, official court order, so that they can arrest Teesta and Javed Anand. But right now we are unable to get in touch with Teesta and her husband to understand what their next move might be. Yes, that the Gujarat police is already reached there. They do not want to give any opportunity to her to not to get arrested at this point of time. So that is the reason why they have already reached to the spot. One police van is already there at Teesta's house at Juhu. So we'll have to. In fact, Teesta and her husband has already said that this is a politically motivated case against them. Because he's been fighting for the Gujarat riot victims' rights for a very long time, and that is the reason why the Gujarat government is against her. But now, as the law is taking its course, Teesta is facing arrest, and as Gujarat police is already there, it is likely that she might be get arrested at any point soon.
All right, but Sahil, what we are given to understand is that Teesta Setalvad and her husband Javed Anand are untraceable at this point in time, and even their lawyers are refusing to divulge any details of their whereabouts. What are they waiting for? If the police is at their doorstep, they cannot possibly evade arrest.
See, it looks like that there is one more option left to her because she first approached to the Sessions Court in Gujarat and Sessions Court refused to give her anticipatory bail. Then, as a normal course of action, she approached High Court, Gujarat High Court. Now today, even High Court has rejected her petition. So now the only course left to her is to approach the higher court, that is Supreme Court, and it looks like that she might take that option because as she's been taking various legal options. As in the past, we have seen the approaching Sessions Court and the High Court, and it's likely that she might go for Supreme Court to file an appeal in the Supreme Court for anticipatory bail. So we'll have to wait and see what course she takes at this point of time. But yes, at this point of time, she is untraceable because she is not contactable at this point of time. Neither any of her people from her office. So we are waiting what next course Gujarat police takes. But Gujarat police is at her residence, so that if she comes back to her residence, or if they understand where she is, she can be arrested immediately before she gets any other legal help. Before that, only she can get arrested. But it's likely that she might take. It's logical that she might take the legal course and approach the Supreme Court at this point of time.
All right. The only option that Teesta Setalvad and her husband Javed Anand seem to have at this point in time is to take a legal recourse. They can file an application for anticipatory bail plea now in the Supreme Court. This after the Gujarat High Court has in fact denied them the anticipatory bail plea. Gujarat police is at Teesta Setalvad's doorstep in Mumbai. Her whereabouts are not known at this point in time. Her lawyers, as Sahil has been pointing out, claim that they are in fact waiting for the official order before they determine their future course of action. It's a story we're going to track continuously here on Headlines Today. Thanks, Sahil Joshi, for joining us with that update.